I am a believer. So anything that I do is an outworking of that. So I want to encourage you, because I know a lot of you guys might be thinking of a business. You might go, oh my God, does it have to be Christian? I don't know what that means. Peter, wasn't Jesus a carpenter? Was he a Christian carpenter? I'm sure he did carpentry for all types of people. Paul was a tent maker. Was he a Christian tent maker? Like, when you think about that, what does that mean to be a Christian business? I think we got to get that out of right. Get that. There is no Christian business. Point blank period. If you are a true daughter of the King and you feel called to whatever you're doing, and you're doing it well, you're doing it faithfully, you're serving, you're stewarding, you're in alignment with the Lord, then it's a kingdom business. Does that make sense? It's a business of the kingdom. It's a business because God says that wherever you are, the kingdom is. Therefore, whatever you produce, the kingdom is, as long as it is operating under kingdom biblical values. If the values ain't correct, if the values are not kingdom, then you can make that argument. But by definition, you don't have to work only with Christians or work for Christians.